Live search. In this video, we will show you how to use the live search in the Businessplace.ae more effectively. It has got two sections, energy products and energy services. In energy services, you can search for the services, service providers and their brands. In energy products, you can search for the products used in the industry, their suppliers and brands. In the leftmost tab, you can select one of these options. The default option would be product. In the next field, you can enter the keyword to search. You can either select one of the matching product name or manually complete your entry. Once this is done, you can move to the next field. In that, our search engine will do a dynamic search and will populate only the most relevant categories based on your keyword entry, and you can select a maximum of 3. This really makes the result more precise and time saving. Moving to the supply location, you can select a maximum of 3 locations from the populated list. Now you can finish the search by clicking the search button, and it takes you to the suppliers list based on your search criteria. The search results can be modified by editing the search box entries. In the search result, you can click on any of the supplier to see their profile. In that, you can view the supplier contact details, profile, products, etc. By clicking on the brand tab, it shows the brands which these suppliers own, represents or supply. The categories tab shows the different categories selected by the supplier. And as a buyer, you can send email to the supplier without leaving the Businessplace.ae platform, and can also write testimonials of a supplier. Thank you.